We are now moving on to an entirely new section. We'll be discussing general pathology, and then we'll follow that with oral pathology. So first off, before we get into anything else, I'd like to cover some terminology that is very important for general and oral path. So we're going to discuss the descriptions of lesions. Okay, now you're going to see a lot of these terms in your case studies as well as in the questions. So make sure you understand what they mean. And you also want to be able to use these terms when you're creating your own SOAP notes for your patients. There are many students that have a hard time coming up with terminology and descriptions of the things that they're seeing, either normal or abnormal in their patients' extraoral as well as intraoral exams. So make sure that you're able to use these terms in using for descriptions of your SOAP notes. All right, so first off, we want